We're going to do Doggie and Kitty because this is a very favorite of the children's repertoire. First I tell them to play the first note in both hands of hot cross buns, so it's this. Then I say, add your thumb over here so that both hands are playing the same notes in a chord, and if you look at the notation, it's both, both, both 3 times. After I play this 3 times, I'm going to show you how we're going to cross over our hands. Now that is the technique in this song, to have a bigger crossover. In Twinkle Twinkle, they had a small. In Pea's Porch Hot, the same, and Baba. But in this, it's a larger crossover. So I'm going to go from these 3 black keys here 3 times. Cross over to the 2 black keys here and play bow wow with the right hand, and the left hand bow wow. So look at the notation. The child may not look at it. It may be easier to teach their hands what to do. But if you can notice that you're playing right hand on the first bow wow, and that says 1 set down of 2 black keys. Here's middle C, and here's 1 set down of 2 black keys. That's why you go to that one first with the right hand, and then the left hand plays an octave lower. Okay, so I'll start that line. Doggie barks, bow wow, bow wow. And notice I got right over into the bow wow so that it keeps the beat. Child till they have that. Here's Kitty Cries. You start the same place. Now, here's a little trickier. This time, the left hand is going to cross over this way. It's going to go right to the very next note after this one, right there. And it's going to play meow. So that's 2 different notes. Meow. And then an octave higher. Meow. Now again, when we started, the right hand crossed over first, and now in Kitty Cries, the left hand crosses over. So I'll do meow again. Kitty cries, left hand, right hand. Do it again. You'll have to do this many times with your student, with your child. Kitty cries, meow, meow. Then I'm going to go back to Doggie Barks. That's the same as the beginning. Over. See how quickly I did that? After the child practices Kitty Cries quite a few times, they forget how Doggie Barks goes. So again, you'll have to kind of stick with that line for a few moments until they see that they're going to play same note, same note. Okay, I'm going to do Doggie again. This 2 black keys, 1 set up, 2 sets up, excuse me. Here's 1 set up, 2 sets up. So you play there, then on the white key, use the middle finger for all the notes. Then on the last one, the middle one, and the first one. So we're going to do that a few times. Come, white key, me. They often will play this white key, and that is not correct. So be sure they're next to the 3 black keys right there. Then have them start looking at their hand and play it quickly, watching the keys on the piano rather than looking here. Come to me. Again. Come to. Now notice what the left hand does. It plays 1 set down, white keys, and that's 4 times, and then we're going to change to black. White, 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 black. Now, what's confusing for them, or a little more demanding, is to play both hands together. Come to both hands. You have to remind them, both hands, right now. Okay? Always be ready to change back to black on the last note here. Again. Last 2 notes, you cross over again to the come note. I tell them go back to the come note, but use your other hand Play the first one of 2, first one of 3. That says right now. So here goes. Come to me right now, right now. Let go of this note so you don't want that kind of sound. You want them to let go on those last 2 notes. I'm going to play the whole song again, a little on the slow side first, and then I'll do it in tempo. Left hand, right hand. Alright, that was pretty much in tempo, so I will go ahead and play it one more time, and hopefully your child can arrive at this point playing it as it should be played.